Hey guys, this is AI Builds and the AI Brothers. We give you step-by-step instructions on how to make cool builds and help you improve your models.
In today's build, we will be making this cool moving system along with another horizontal to vertical moving system. This video will teach you all about what you need to know for the moving systems and which moving system is best for which scenario. Stick around until the end because there is a surprise. On to the build.
Here are the pieces for the differential gear moving system.
So first we have obviously the differential gear itself, then 2 wheels, 3 small skin color gears, 1 big skin color gear, 2 blue big connectors, 1 3-length lift arm, 1 differential gear box, 2 5-length axles, 1 4-length axle with the second length area to be slidey, then we have used 2 1-length lift arms, but if you're connecting it to a car, then you should be using like a 13-length or something that can attach over here, then a motor and a battery box. On to the instructions.
Here is the build for part 1 of this build,
aka the differential gear moving system. So first you get the differential gear itself and the slidey pieces. You put 1 slidey piece on the bottom stub and then 2 on the side to connect to the wheels. As so. Then you get the differential gearbox and you place the axles in. Make sure they are connected to the gears, so like spin them around before you properly push them in. So mine are connected. Then you get the big skin color gear along with the skin color axle. Put it in so that there's only 1 length of axle, then the slidey bit, like that. Then you get the big blue connectors along with the red lift arm or any color lift arm. Then you put the motor in. Now you connect if you're connecting it to a car, then you would be using something of maybe this length so that it can attach the rest of your car over here. But for demonstration purposes, we're only using this 1 length. And then add the wheels and do the same on the other side, as so. So that is the build for this differential gear moving system complete. Here is a demo for the differential gear moving system. So once you connect the moving system that you have made to a battery box, we have put this on a stand for demonstration purposes. And so once you turn it on, it will start moving. The good thing about this is that if you stop one side, the other side still spins. Although the flaws or the bad things about this is that you have to pay quite a bit of money to get the differential gear and the box and everything. But overall, it's a really good moving system to use, and I definitely recommend it. Also, it is very handy because you can easily attach some big lift arms so that this moving system attaches to the rest of your car, So that could be attaching it to a turning system or anything like that. So yeah, this comes in really handy. Definitely recommend it. On to the next moving system.